So we're back in Wolcott, in one of my favorite neighborhoods, to take a tour at my new listing, 2 Harvest Hill. This is a spacious colonial, pushing almost 2,500 square feet with 4 beds and 2.5 baths. Come take a tour with me. So as we make our way inside of the home, you're gonna see a really thoughtfully designed layout throughout this main floor. You have a nice family room over on your right and a separate laundry room on your left. So as we make our way into this kitchen over here, it really incorporates your dining area as well as where you do all your meal preparation. We have these man-made engineered stone countertops as well as tons of ample space for cabinetry to store anything you may need. So follow me through this Anderson slider, which seamlessly connects your indoor and outdoor living. It leads you right outside of this 2-tier deck, which allows you to relax by the pool or hang out here and entertain and enjoy this privacy that this peaceful woods has to offer. Off the kitchen in the dining room leads you into this sunken-in living room. Gives you a really cozy feel, and it's also accompanied by your own gas fireplace. So as we make our way into the upper level of the home, we'll find ourselves in the primary bedroom. Over here on the right is a nice walk-in closet for everything that your wardrobe may need. Over here is your primary ensuite bathroom, which offers a jacuzzi tub, a stand-up shower, with some vaulted ceilings and a shelf above your doorway to display any decor to go with the seasons. Well, as we leave the primary bedroom back into this upstairs hallway, I kind of want to go over some of the key features of this upper level. We have 3 generously sized bedrooms that all offer walk-in closets, as well as a full bath in the center of the hallway, which is conveniently located for each bedroom. So now we find ourselves in the lower level of the home, which offers a little over 700 square feet of additional finished living space, heated by your own gas stove, that also has some walkout slider over here in the corner, which again incorporates your outdoor and indoor living space right out to your patio. So I want to thank you all for taking the time to stop by and tour this home with me. If you have any questions about this property or any other properties for that matter, give me a call on my cell that's linked right below.